everyone and welcome to today's video. This is a basic phonics lesson. Today we're going to be talking about the sounds made for the endings ed, es, and ing. But first, let's practice some of the sounds that you've already learned. Go ahead and pause the video, read the sounds on your own, and then restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
O, A, S, Ch, U, J, E, I, Sh.
All right, this time listen and write down the sounds in the order that you hear them, and then I'll play it again and fill in the correct answer so you can check.
J, A, U, I, Ch, O, E, S, Sh. J, A, U, I, Ch, O, E, S, Sh.
All right, now practice sounding out these words. Try it on your own and then restart the video to listen and check.
G, A, V, gave, F, E, M, theme, S, T, R, A, N, J, strange, K, U, T, cute, P, O, A, S, place, B, I, K, bike.
All right, now listen and repeat to the two different S sounds.
S, S, S. Cat, cats. Z, Z, Z. Dog, dogs.
Okay, now let's listen to the ES sound.
Uz, uz, uz. Box, boxes.
Now listen and repeat these words.
Wish, wishes. Lunch, lunches. Glass, glasses. Fox, foxes.
All right, now practice sounding out these words with the new ES sound that you've learned, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
A, sh, z. Ashes. I, n, ch, z. Inches. D, I, sh, z. Dishes. F, I, k, s, z. Fixes. P, a, s, z. Passes. D, a, sh, z. Dashes.
All right, now we're going to learn the different ways of pronouncing the ed ending. So listen and repeat.
T, t, t. Ask. Asked.
See, and if you notice, they did not say asked. It's a common mistake. But when the original word ends in the letter K, the ed sounds like a T. Asked, asked. Right, here's another sound for the ed ending. So listen and repeat.
D, d, d. Call. Called.
So once again, we don't say called. It's when the original word ends in an L sound, the ed just sounds like the D in dog. So called. Right, now listen and repeat.
Ud, ud, ud. Act. Acted. Ud, ud, ud. Land. Landed.
And if you notice here, the reason why we made the ud sound is because of the ending sound of the original word. So whenever a word ends in a T or a D, that's the only time we say the ed as an ud sound. All right, so now carefully practice these words. Be careful to only add that separate syllable for ones that end in T or D. The others, the ed is going to either sound just like the D in dog or the T like in tea. So let's listen, or try these on your own first, and then listen when you're ready to hear the answers.
Y, e, o, d. Yelled. M, I, k, s, t. Mixed. P, o, a, n, t, d. Planted. S, a, n, d, d. Sanded. F, I, o, d. Filled. E, o, t. Helped.
All right, now we're going to learn the ing sound, so listen and repeat.
Ing, ing, ing. Rest. Resting.
Now listen and repeat these sentences.
He is fishing. I am singing.
Now try practicing these words on your own, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
O, u, k, I, ng. Looking. K, all. I, ng. Calling. W, I, sh, I, ng. Wishing. S, t, a, n, d, I, ng. Standing. E, o, p, I, ng. Helping. A, s, k, I, ng. Asking.
All right, now practice reading these words, sounding them out, and then reading them on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check.
F, I, o, d. Filled. B, a, k, s, z. Boxes. O, n, ch, z. Lunches. O, k, I, ng. Looking. W, I, sh, I, ng. Wishing. E, s, t, I, ng. Resting. A, s, k, t. Asked. F, I, sh, I, ng. Fishing. Y, e, o, d. Yelled. F, a, k, s, z. Foxes. W, e, n, t. went. O, a, lake.
All right, now listen, write down the words that you hear, and then I'll play it again and fill in the correct answers.
Lake. Asked. Foxes. Wishing. Looking. Boxes. Lake. Asked. Foxes. Wishing. Looking. Boxes.
All right, now we'll review some sight words. So try these on your own, then restart the video to listen and check.
She. Are. Also. They. Love.
All right, now practice reading the sentences and then restart the video to listen and check.
We filled 6 boxes with 6 lunches. She is looking and wishing, but he is resting. Pete and Pam are fishing at the lake. Is this fun? Asked Pam. Yes, I love fishing, yelled Pete. Five foxes also went to the lake. We love fishing too, they yelled.
All right, now practice reading the entire story on your own, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
Pete and Pam are fishing at the lake. Is this fun? Asked Pam. Yes, I love fishing, yelled Pete. 5 foxes also went to the lake. We love fishing too, they yelled.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.